Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how we can apply a standard UK visitor visa. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this is just to go through the process. There is no legal advice available in this. As you can see, everything is available online, and neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body who deals with immigration. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so guys, in front of you I have opened this official website of UK government's visitor visa section. You can see visit the UK section. Here you can apply for standard visitor visa. You have a link, and they have also specified that what you can do and what you cannot do, and what you need to prove that you must be able to show that you will leave UK at the end, you are able to support yourself, you are able to pay for your return and onward journey, you will not live in UK for extended periods through frequent or successive visits, or make the UK your main home. Means you have to prove that you are going to meet the conditions. Alright, there's a link to apply, click on it. So they have given the process. Okay, the earliest you can apply is 3 months before you travel. Depending upon your nationality, you may need. So some passport holders don't need. Like if you are holding a passport of India, you need to have a visitor visa in order to visit UK, and you can apply online. So you can click there and apply. It's simple. Okay, they have also given the information, what are the documents you need, and information, the dates, where you will be staying, how much you think the trip will cost, your current home address, your parents' name, date of birth, how much you earn in a year, details of any criminal history if available. Depending on circumstance, you also need to provide details of a travel history, and all these details you can see. Even a medical, if you are visiting for more than 6 months, so you this tuberculosis test. Okay. Alright, click on apply now. I select accept. So you can do this in multiple languages. They have given the option of so many languages. A lot of Indian languages are here. I think this one is Russian, but I'm not sure. So I click on English. Next. Select a country to provide your biometrics, where you will be going for your biometrics. So if you are applying from India, you can select India. Next. Check available visa application status. The continued international effort to limit the impact of coronavirus has resulted in disruption. Okay, some of the UK's visa applications. Let's check the availability of services at your place. You can check with VFS. Okay. So India. So you are going here. Click no. Okay. Now again the information is coming. Now this is what they say, like in order to apply for visit visa, you need to complete the application form, you have to pay the fee and provide your biometric, and then it starts. Now you have the option of starting. Click on start now. Register an email. Okay, password. So I'm gonna do this step, and I'm gonna go to next step. So in the next step, they show the email address, and they ask if this belong to you. So I'm gonna select you, whatever is your case, and then I'm gonna click save on continue and continue. In the next screen, they are asking for additional email. Okay, if you have, so most of us have, right? So there's no harm in providing. I'm gonna provide. So here you are gonna put that information and select and click on save and continue. I'm gonna do that. It asking, do you have another email address? Right now I'm going to select no and continue. Contact preferences. Okay, let's see. So in this next section they are asking for the telephone number. I'm gonna check that. So you need to provide your telephone number, only include number, and for international include the country code. Okay, so for example, if you're doing for India, use 91, okay, as country code, and then type off. So let's say it's your mobile number for use while out of the UK, whatever is applicable in your case. And telephone number, I'm going to include a random number. I'm not sure if going to send if they are going to send a text to verify. They are asking that do you have any other alternate telephone number. I select no, but if you have, no harm in providing. Now it is coming like contacting you by phone. Are you able to be contacted by phone? So I'm gonna select both text and message, because why wouldn't I? Now it is asking for the name, that your given name and family name. So I'm gonna put John Smith. Okay, now I'm gonna click on save and continue. Any other name, I select no, save and continue. Your sex and relationship status, okay, male, I select whatever is your case, and I'm gonna select married or married partner. I select single, whatever is your case, you're gonna do that. Your address, okay, same also correspondence address. Yes, if I select no, means they will ask for the correspondence address. So I select yes, and I'm gonna include a sample address. So I have entered a sample address corresponding. Yes, save and continue. Let's see what they ask about this property. How long have you lived at this address? So whatever is your case, you do. Time, years, I select 10 years. Okay, whatever is your case. Your passport, yes, very important. Passport number, issuing authority, date, expiry date. So I'm just going to include a sample, but you gotta use your actual. Okay, after ask identity card, do you have any national identity card? None. UK. So this does not include driving licenses. If you have an internal passport, provide details. So I select no, but in India, like, you get Aadhaar card and all, so there's no harm in providing that detail. So nationality, country, and date of birth. Okay, I'm gonna put some sample here. So I entered some sample values here because this is a test video or just a sample video, but in your actual application, please enter correct details. Other nationalities, do you have any other nationality? I don't have. If you have, put yes. Employment status, what is your employment status? Self-employed. Yeah, so let's say self-employed, whatever is your case. Self-employment details, what is your job, how much you earn from this job. Okay, they have picked up Indian currency. What is your job? Okay, I'm gonna include that. I select businessman, and how much you earn from this job, I'll put a random. This is too much of money, right? I don't make it, but there's no harm in entering it, right? So I entered. Click on save and continue. Your income and saving, do you have any other income or any other saving? I have saving. How much money you have in saving? In GBP they have asked. Okay, they removed INR. So let's say I have like okay, let me put a sample number. Okay, this is a great amount. I don't have but okay, let me reduce one digit. That will be 2, in fact 3. Okay, yeah, fine. I don't have any other. Okay, save and continue. About the cost of your visit, how much money are you personally planning to spend while you visit in, okay, GBP. Let's say I'm planning to spend 20,000 British pounds. Save and continue. About your financial situation, what is the total amount of money you spend each month? So I spend each month, let's say 10,000 pounds, right? That's too much, I know. Just sample, guys. Paying for your visit, will anyone be paying toward the cost of your visit? No. plan travel information. Okay, plan your arrival. So they had written like 3 months from the date. So I select like, let's say you are going in June. Okay, 01/06/2022, and you want to stay there for 14 days. 2022. Spoken language preference. English I selected. Main reason for your visit. Tourism I select. Okay. Main reason for your whole holiday visit. Tourist. Your activity. Give the detailed purpose of visit, anything else you plan to do on the trip. See tourist and short stay for more purpose. So you're going to write it carefully by going through this link and understanding, but because this is a sample video, so I'm going to write some random things. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, next section is people financially depend on you. Does anyone rely on you for financial support? I select no. But if yes, provide the details. Service update. Give details about your first parent. So mother. So I'll put a random name like Elizabeth Smith, right? Okay, I'll put that name. So I just provided answers for these questions. Click on save and continue. And one more thing, guys, if you want to submit this application later, you have the option of return to this application later. So you can save and then come back. So it's not mandatory that you finish the whole application at a stretch. Alright, so let's go through this, guys, more. Detail about two of your parents. So next is father. So Elizabeth Smith I did. I would put name Peter Smith. Okay, let's go ahead. Do you have any family in UK? So if you have, select yes, provide details, but in this case I select no. Sample video. Traveling as part of an organized group. Are you traveling as an organized group like tours and all? So I select no. Traveling with another person. Are you traveling with another person? I select no. You are traveling alone. Whatever is in the case. Accommodation in the UK. Do you have an address where you are going to stay in UK? If you do not have an address or accommodation, select no. And on the next page, yes, you have. Next. Accommodation. So they're going to ask some information. Okay. Where are you planning to stay in the UK? Okay, so I'm going to include London, and I'm going to include some hotel details here, but I don't know any, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to go through the next page or not with the sample values, but I'll give it a try. Okay, so my answer was accepted. I just said London hotel. I put a random number in postal code. Will you be staying anywhere else in the UK? I select no. Click UK travel history. Have you been to UK in the past 10 years? I select no. Travel to Australia or the European Economic Zone. Okay. How many times you have visited following places in past 10 years? Whatever is the case. These are the other countries, not UK. So I select 0, but if you have the information, you do. World travel history. Have you been to any other countries in past 10 years? They do not include this because you had already entered the data in the previous screen. So I select no. Save and continue. Immigration history. For either the UK or any country, have you ever been refused a visa, refused entry, refused permission, refused asylum, deported, removed, required to leave, excluded, banned from entry? Whatever is there for the situation, you need to answer honestly, because if you don't, they are going to find it out and then you will be in a big trouble. So don't do it. Always be honest. Breach of UK immigration law. Have you ever entered UK illegally, remained at UK beyond validity of your visa, means overstayed your visa, breached condition, given false information, so I select no. Whatever is your case, you enter. Conviction and other penalties. At any time you have ever had a following in the UK or in any other country, your criminal history. You can read all things. War crimes. In either piece or what, have you ever been involved or suspected to be involved in war crimes, crime, genocide? No. So you can read and then you can continue. Terrorist activities, organizations and views. Have you ever been involved in support and encourage terrorist activity? Nation that has been concerned in terrorism. I select no. Medium no. Extremist organizations and views. Person of good character. Have you, as part of your employment or otherwise, undertaken paid or unpaid activities on behalf of non-UK government which you know to be dangerous to the interest or national security of UK or no? That might indicate that you may not be considered a person of good character. No. Make us aware of. Whatever is the case, provide the data. Your employment history. Have you ever worked for any of these organizations, armed forces, government, intelligence services, media, judiciary? Whatever is your case, provide that. Additional information about. If you need to add more information, you can do. So you can include 1000 characters. I'm not going to do. So I continue, but you have the option to change over there. So here you are going to upload documents and declaration, pay and further actions. They are going to do. They have given all the information. So I'm not going to continue from here because I don't want to go ahead and sign the declaration and pay for a sample video. But you have all the answers, all the steps here. So I hope this is clear now. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.